Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well. Here is photo effect like a ghosting and this file for Photoshop CS6 and CC plus user. Okay, these are protected password in this app. Go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK and buy now in $2.99 for lifetime source of my INDD data. Okay, Duotone ghosting photo effect. We need a photo for effect. Here is the background. Extract this one and okay, double click here and height is height. Open photo for like this one. Here we need high definition, but don't worry, I will try this. Enter Control S for saving. Updating Smart Eject. Please wait here. Close it and you see here is effect. Wow, I hope these are useful for you. Password in this app. Go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK. Take care, Allah Hafiz.